Alright, let's jump right into the story. In a crowded apartment in Dubai, a young man named Aman was feeling the pressure. He was 26 years old and working a job in Miss that paid the bills but barely left any room for savings. The rent was high. Family needs were growing and weekends seemed to fly by in a blur. He yearned for more, something better. Before taking the plunge into entrepreneurship, Aman had dabbled in various side hustles. He tried dropshipping, but it was too risky. He tried blogging, but it took ages to see any income. He tried freelance writing, but he often burnt out. The problem was that each of these hustles demanded too much time and effort, leaving him exhausted and disillusioned. But one Friday night, after a particularly long and tiring day at his job, Aman found himself scrolling through videos. And that's when he came across a video titled ChatGPT Side Hustles You Can Start Today. Intrigued, he clicked. And as the video played, something clicked in his mind. The very next day, Aman woke up with a renewed sense of purpose. He created a free account on ChatGPT and typed in, "Write a product description for handmade candles." In a few seconds, ChatGPT spat out a well-written description that he could use. Next, he tried, summarized this 1,000-word article into 5 bullet points again. ChatGPT delivered in seconds. It was then that Aman had an idea. Why not use ChatGPT to save time and scale his hustle? He started small, offering services on Fiverr such as product descriptions, blog outlines, Instagram captions, and email templates for small businesses. Instead of writing them all from scratch, he used ChatGPT as an assistant. He would type in his prompts, edit the output slightly to make it unique, and deliver fast. What took him 2 hours before now took 20 minutes. In the first month, he made $130, in the second month, $400, and by the third month, he was making more from his side hustle than his actual job. But Aman wasn't satisfied. He kept pushing. He created ebooks, social media templates, and even a digital product, all written and formatted with the help of ChatGPT. Now every Saturday, Aman works just 3 to 4 hours using ChatGPT and earns what he once earned in a full week. He finally took his parents on a trip that they'd always wanted to go on. He started saving for his own small business. And it all began with a simple decision to try something new, to embrace the power of AI and to hustle smarter, not harder. Because remember, time is money, but with ChatGPT, time becomes your superpower. So if you're tired, broke, or stuck, don't give up. Try smart work, use ChatGPT, and hustle smarter, not harder. That's all for today. See you in the next video.